Okay, these are pretty basic. All they're asking us to do is draw an obtuse angle with that name, angle RST, for 15, and for 17, they're asking us to make a straight angle with that name, KLM. So no problem. We know that, for example, a 90-degree angle looks like this, and a 180-degree angle looks like that. So an obtuse angle is somewhere in between. So I'm going to pick this as an obtuse angle to make, because why not? And what do we need to do to complete this? Well, one thing that we need to do is we need to make these be rays. And we need to have that middle letter be the vertex point. So we can have an R here and a T here. And this satisfies the requirements. Okay. Now to make a straight angle, KLM, it's just a straight line. There's going to be a vertex point somewhere. That's going to be the middle letter L. And so we need to have a K either here or on the other side. Then the opposite side of that, have the M. So that will be straight angle KLM, and this will be obtuse angle RST. And as simple as that.